Hi, everybody. Welcome to the Daily Digits for the 12th of April, 2023. I'm going to be solving it today with 62. My instinct is to do these two get added together, and then I do 6 times 10, and then do 60 plus 2. Cool. 62 got there. Next one. Next puzzle. 156. Well, this makes me think I can do it with a 10. I can see an obvious 10 there, and I don't see a 6, though, unfortunately. 156 means I could do it with uh, 16 times 10, 20. Okay, well, 25 times 7 gets us 19 too high. Can we break 19? I get one off there pretty easily. So 25, well, 11. I do 15 times 11. Oh, yeah, I can do it like that, can't I? 15 by 11 gives us 165, and now we're 9 off. Yeah, so it's this, 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 minus this. Okay, I did get there. Okay. Next puzzle. 246. I can do... Can I get 14 otherwise? Yes, I can very easily. So this times that. This plus this. This plus that. Plus... There we go. 264. Next puzzle. 312. With 20, I can do 15 by 20. Can I get with these? Can I make 12 with that? I probably can. Yeah, if I do... 438. Means I probably want to do 425. Can I do 23? I could do 23, couldn't I? The 438 divided by 23. I need 19. So 23 times 19 would get me almost there. I need to add 1. Can I get 1 out of all of these? Yes, I can. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all next time. That is all of the stars. Cheers!